Hi, my name is Megan, and in this experiment, we are going to see how grapes dance. For this experiment, you are going to need club soda or some kind of soda, a glass, and some grapes. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take the club soda and we're going to pour some into a glass. Next, we are going to take a grape and we are going to drop it in the club soda. What do you think is going to happen? Is the grape going to sink? Is the grape going to float? What do we think? Let's find out. The grape kind of sank and then it floated back to the top. Why is this? In club soda, we have carbon dioxide bubbles or CO2 bubbles. The carbon dioxide bubbles help the grape float back up to the surface. Try this for yourself and see what happens.